is Alex again. So today I finalized my cold air intake. So what I did was I bought a cheap cold air intake on eBay, and I decided to modify it to make it work with the MR2. Then I decided to change it again. So I'm going to show you how it looks now, and this is actually, I think, the best solution. So a lot of people seem to run the air intake to around here or sit behind the battery, and I took a different approach. So this, well, it's not the best. This goes from 67 to 3 inch, so 76, so it's a few millimeters. Then this is about 45 degree bend. Then that's my my MAF adapter. I still need a hose between here, but other than that it's all connected. Then I got a flexi pipe, you can see over there. It's currently 3 inch and it's very tight. I might switch to 2.5 or at least something like 70 mil. See if it fits a little bit better. Other than that, so it goes through there, which is really hard to do, and because those corners are very sharp, that's why I'm thinking of going a little bit smaller. However, because it's a flexi pipe, it's very tight and it fits. So it goes all the way here. This is just extra, don't need it, but it allows me to mount the filter everywhere, as you can see. So I'm going to try to mount it somewhere here, pointing this way. So with the vent here, and able to get the side scopes as well, so the air always pushes in. But because of the flexi pipe, I can move it anywhere I want. So that's my solution for the cold air intake in the MR2, and let me know what you think.